Hi guys, welcome to yet another vlog. This is Raghav88. So here we see is this new MG Hector. This is my friend's MG Hector, which is around 4 months old and it's done only around 3000 kilometers. So we are going to make a video about this today. This is the top end model, the Sharp, I think. This is Sharp, alva? Sharp variant.
DCT Sharp.
DCT Sharp variant. It's been a beautiful vehicle. So I've also driven it a couple of times. The gearbox works very nicely and it has a lot of power. So the main thing that we are going to check out in this video is he's recently had a small accident and we are going to take it to the service center here and check out how much it costs to fix this small dent there. I think it should not cost more than 3 to 5,000 rupees approximately, but let's go ahead and go to the showroom and see what happens and what is the quote that we get from the MG Hector showroom here in Airport Road. Finally guys, we are here at the MG Hector showroom. So here's the vehicle. Let's go connect with the service advisor and see what happens. Firstly, they noted down the number and other things. So here's the MG Hector service center. To give a bit more detail, he just touched a small dent there. Touched a Tata Ace when he was reversing the car. Nothing else other than that, which is a very minor thing. I asked him to get it done outside, but he wants to do it in the showroom itself. So let's see how the experience is and what is the cost that we incur for this small piece of dent. They are saying that this will cost around 13,000. They'll dent it and paint it, and this whole panel is 13,000. And to paint this half the bumper, they're asking 4,000 rupees, which I think is a lot of money. But as my friend is going for insurance claim, this should be fine. Otherwise, I would suggest it can be done outside because spending 20,000 for this small damage, it doesn't feel worth for me. But let's speak to him later on and see after we finish all the formalities. So they've asked for the RC card, the driving license, insurance copy and his PAN card. So this is what they require to process the insurance. No writing or anything else currently. So I'll give you an update once we finalize everything. Finally done with all the talking guys. See here, they've given the receipt or whatever you can say, and they've said they will do the claim in a couple of 4 to 5 days. They need to inform the insurer and they will come and inspect, and then further it will go forward. It might take 4 to 5 days to do this. So let's ask the owner itself why he went for insurance claim for such a small thing rather than getting it done outside. Abhishek, tell us why you would went for an insurance claim rather than getting it done outside, so which could have been done in 3 to 4,000. Again, you will anyway have to pay 3 or 4,000 as file charges and anything else that might come up. So in your opinion, why you went for insurance rather than getting it done outside?
The thing is because I really don't, I would say I may not be satisfied with the work which will be done outside in a local garage or something. And in terms of MG, they would give me the proper finishing which I would be which is directly from the showroom. So I would be getting a new finishing and in a better way. Rather going to the local showroom, they would not exactly do what exactly I'm looking for. So this particular thing was exactly happened yesterday evening, which while reversing I did not observe there was a standstill tempo. A Tata is standing, and I just brushed through towards to my left. And since it's a new car, it's hardly 4 months. I didn't want to do a Mickey Mouse work here. So I wanted to get this done properly through the showroom itself. Yeah, if I understand that this is probably it would have been worked out outside at a lesser price, but going through the claim or going through the insurance is much better, which gives me more satisfaction and trust in terms of MG that they would be doing the good job. Let's see what they do, and going forward I'll see if I'll compare the work done. If going forward, if I incur any kind of this kind of incidents, then I would probably look for an alternative options outside.
Hey, thanks Abhishek. So we will see what happens when we come to pick up the car and see how the finish and what is the final cost that we incur. For now it is around 13,000 plus 4,000. So they are saying around 17. I am guessing it might go up to 20,000. But let's hope for the best and hopefully this job is done well and MG does a good job after spending 17,000 instead of doing it outside for 4 or 5,000 rupees. So like you heard, so he trusts MG and they have a paint booth and everything stuff inside the garage there and they can do it themselves. So that was it guys for today. So the cost is 17,000 for such a small damage on a MG Hector. So you can see how costly it is to maintain or fix any damages on an MG. So if you can get it done outside for less, if you have done it and what is your experience, do share it and also post it in the comment section. And what do you think, is the owner doing a mistake by going to MG for this small fix, or is he right in doing so? Let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video guys. I'll give you an update as to after this car is fixed and the final cost that we incurred to fix this small damage. Sorry guys, couldn't finish off the video there as we had some other important work to finish off and had to rush from there. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, do hit the thumbs up. And what do you think, was it right to leave the MG Hector for such a small job at the showroom, or should we got it done outside? Have you ever been to the showroom and how was your experience for such a thing like an accident? How much did they charge you? Do you think they are overcharging you? Which I think yes, but the owner of the car feels that it should be done in the showroom because they give you the quality. But I think outside also they give you the same quality if you pay the right price and find the right garage. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about it. Do subscribe to the channel and wait for my next video where I give you an update after the MG Hector has been fixed and we go and take the delivery and see how the job is done.